Hi babies, welcome back to my channel. It's Maya back again with another bum ass YouTube video. So today, as you guys can tell the title, we are doing a wig install. So yeah, we're going to transform this to this.
You change overnight. You out of sight. You magnified. You're only human.
And I'm basically going to be showing you guys how I install the wig and how I style it up and everything. So today's collaboration is with Wiggins Hair, Human Hair Once Meet, Never Forgotten. And this is what their box looks like. Their box reminds me of like chocolate wrapping or like wine or something, like I don't know. But this is my first time collaborating with them, so I'm actually excited to see how the hair is and the quality and everything. Okay, so when you open the box, we obviously got the hair, but I'm going to show you guys that last. What comes inside the box, I have lashes, which comes in this little cute container. Then I have more lashes, but this one brings 5, I believe, and it goes from like very full to like a little thinner. Of course, we have a wig cap. We have the band to tie around to secure the lace. Have a band. They gave us a book that is like how to take care of your hair, and it got like all these tips on there. And then since like everything was kind of stuffed up in the box, they did give us this bag that has the name on it, and it's a pretty red color, and of course it ties up. Okay, so now that I showed you guys what was in the box, I'm gonna show you guys the hair. The hair is 22 inches, I believe. Everything's going to be linked in the description box, so if I am wrong, it will be in the description box along with the link to this hair. Okay, so this is the hair. Starting off with the lace, as you guys can tell, it's already pre-plucked, which we love that. You feel me? Pre-plucked scalp is given. This is how the lace look. And then the hair look, as you guys can tell, it's like black, and then on the top it has like gray to it. I always wanted a gray wig, and I think that I'm still am gonna do like a whole gray wig, but this one was something different when I seen it. Since they didn't have like a full out gray wig, I was like, this is the closest that I'll get to, you know, having gray. So, and it's very different. I never really seen nobody with a wig like this, or even seen wig like this with everybody else that I collabed with. So yeah, but this is what it looks like, and this is the hair. It's very soft and long, and let's get to installing. The things that I am going to be using out throughout this video is the Got To Be spray and the Got To Be glue, mousse and a hot comb, and of course a blower and a flat iron if I do decide to flat iron the hair. So yeah, that's the things that I'm going to be using. My hair is already braided under this, so I'm going to start with putting on the wig cap on it. You guys already know how this goes. I hope you guys enjoy this video.
You change overnight. You out of sight. You magnified. You're only human. Yes, I know. It's okay to be unsure. I hope you know it's okay if you're not sure.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you.
overnight. You out of sight, you magnified. You're only human, yes I know. It's okay to be unsure. I hope you know it's okay if you're not sure.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, no one above me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, no one above me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more.
Okay guys, so this is the final look. I end up changing it to a side part because I feel like a side part just looks better on me. This is how long the hair end up being. As you guys can tell, it's giving like 26, 28 inches. Like, it's literally at the bottom of my butt. So yeah, details to all of this hair is going to be down in the description box. And the hair is very soft, doesn't shed, was easy to flat iron. As you guys can tell, it is very much flat ironed. And the length of it just, everything feels so full. The hair feels so full, so soft. And the color, at first I wasn't really digging it, but now I'm definitely digging it. For me, it's something different, like I said at the beginning of this video. Very, very good quality hair, so I do suggest for you guys to go and purchase some hair from their company. But yeah, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and while you're at it, make sure to click the bell so you're notified every time I post another video. Don't forget to check them out. Like I said, they will be linked down in the description box along with all of my social medias. Make sure to follow me and add me on those. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. You already know, stay positive, stay cute, and live your best life. And I'll catch you guys in my next YouTube video. Bye guys.